Morning's light. Students, today is 25th March 2022 and the day is Friday. Thought of the day: always believe in yourself. Students, believing in self is the first step to success. If we believe in ourselves, we can achieve any target in life, we can achieve any dream in life. So believing in self is the first step to success, and we should always believe in ourselves. Let's do knowledge and science. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra? There are 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra. In which district of Punjab is the Husainiwala border located? Husainiwala border is located in Firozpur district. Where was Shaheed Sukhdev born? Shaheed Sukhdev was born in Ludhiana, Punjab. What is the place value of 4 in the number 546? The place value of 4 in the number 546 is 40. Who invented Braille script? Louis Braille invented Braille script. Let's do Tong Twister. Betty bought a bit of butter. Coming to words for practice. First word is catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Catch means to hold a throw from someone. Second word is batch. B-A-T-C-H. Batch. Batch means a group of similar people or colleagues. Next word is blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Blue means a color. Next word is glue. G-L-U-E. Glue. Next word is true. T-R-U-E. True. True means truth, right or correct. Thanks for watching. Please comment and share and subscribe.